just a random video, but the song isn't mine. This is a song by deadmau5 called The Reward is Cheese. J over Dig HSX uh, posted a video on it, so you know. I like electronic music. This is far from one of my favorite songs, but okay, here we go. I'll start playing some of it. Hopefully my camera doesn't die in the middle of playing it. Hopefully. This part's boring. Very much so. Here we go. Okay, that's enough of that. Like I said, that song is not by me. That is a deadmau5 song. And that is me crazy dancing. So, y'all take care and keep your stick on the ice.